What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. So you'll see we're just in the London session right now. I'm expecting to run lower on euro because we have high impact news at 4 a.m. and you'll see we've just taken out the Asia high. I've just gone short, positioning my stop loss just above here, and I want to see obviously the Asia low get targeted. But yeah, 4 a.m. should cause large expansion. We'll trade into a breaker. I'll show you on the 1 minute. High, low, higher, high, and from then on we've been breaking. We've just been moving lower. So you'll see that we've been held in consolidation. Usually at 3 a.m. we have expansion, but due to the news at 4 a.m. I do believe that's what they're waiting for before sending price lower. So we'll see if that plays out nicely. Take off some of my position here. I am bearish on the whole day in general, so it's very well possible that this is actually the high of the day, and we're going to see a lot of price action. And dollar's already moved lower, taking out sell stops from Asia range here, and I'd like to think that dollar can start to reach up for this buy side liquidity. So yeah, pretty nice setup in general. Breaking market structure here. This close below this low here is a break of structure, so that's again signaling to me, okay, price wants to go lower. Again, taking out Asia high, fails to take out this swing high. There's a lot of bearish signatures in price right now. Also GBP, you can see GBP rallied a little bit higher. We can short on GBP as well, and you'll see that we actually shorted here yesterday as well, pretty much exactly the same price, which is interesting. So where do we put our stop? Just above the swing high that was created, with the expectation for price to rally lower. So you'll see the midpoint. This is the midpoint of the Asia range, and price, once it gets below that, we can start thinking about moving our stop and getting towards the Asia range low. looks like we're going to close lower. This is that large candle I was talking about. Remember, I said I want to see like a large candle. This is the kind of expansion I wanted to see for me to be comfortable to now move my stop to pretty much break even, just above it to this. So price shouldn't need to come back above there now. So here you'll see I was flipping back and forth between euro and dollar quite a lot, and that's purely because of the amount of consolidation we got when we passed through that 50% level off the Asian range. It did kind of throw me off. Obviously I didn't pull out my position, but it's definitely something I learned in this session, like to anticipate a pullback at that 50% level and just to be more wary around it and almost just let price do its thing, be patient. You'll also notice I'm trading pound as well at the same time, and pound actually moved way more pips than euro, which is surprising considering euro had the news, so that was interesting to see as well. And there we have it, guys. Beautiful. So I hope you found this insightful. It'll be interesting to see where we get to by the end of the London session. So that's going to be everything, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.